Okay, so we are ready for the second round of our rate of flow experiment, where I'm going to be using this cup instead that has a 3/16 medium hole in it. But let's review what you should have observed from the first round. So in the first round, I hope that you already noticed that there were lots of large particles, or you could say large sediments, that were still in the stream bed. And when you looked at the alluvial fan, it was mostly small and medium sediments that made it down to the alluvial fan. So you could definitely see the large sediments still back in the stream bed in round one. Let's see what changes about the particle size here in round two. So I've already smoothed out my stream table, and I'm going to fill up my cup again, but this one is not the same cup. This is the 3/16 inch hole, and you will notice a definite change in how fast the water comes out of this. Okay, so already the water's made it down. It's not perfect view for you. And I'll show you a close-up, of course, soon, but already the water's made it down past the cliff and is creating an alluvial fan. You can hopefully see just a little bit of a braided stream channel that has the two stream channels. And I know it's harder for you to see, but what I'm starting to observe, and I'm about halfway through the water now, is that I'm seeing a few more of the big particles make it down to the alluvial fan. But at this point, I'm still seeing quite a bit of big chunks that are left in the stream bed. Okay, so it's about 1/4 of the way to go. And honestly, this doesn't look too much different. A little bit. I'll show you a close-up here. It's almost out, but it doesn't look too much different than round one with the small hole. With the exception of now this is just one stream channel. They merge together. Okay, so we're going to go ahead now and give you a closer up of what you see. So what you're going to be writing about are what types of sediments are still in the stream bed versus which types made it to the alluvial fan. So what you're probably noticing is up here in the stream bed, we still have all sizes of particles, including those big chunks, big sediments. And down here in the alluvial fan, something you might be seeing is that it looks like some of the big chunks made it a little further, but still it's dominated by the small and medium chunks down here in the alluvial fan. So go ahead and write in those results for round two.